update of Sean Combs' trial, taking a break from my own trial. P. Diddy's attorneys have moved for continuance. However, it was previously released that they thought they would seek a 2-week continuance, but the motion specifically states that they're looking for 2 months. When looking at motions to continue before a trial court, the thing to remember is whether good cause is shown. It can't be for purposes of delay, and it can't be for other tactics to try to create frustration of the process. Here, my legal take is it looks like Sean Combs, P. Diddy's lawyers, have good cause. Here, I think the defense is going to be able to show good cause to the trial judge because they're going to specifically be able to point to the prosecution's superseding indictment. Remember, lately they just filed a superseding indictment and brought 2 additional charges against Sean Combs. Some people believed you may not need a 2-month extension because it may resolve around the same victims. But what Sean Combs' attorneys are saying is, although it may be the same victims, there's different acts. As a result, we're entitled to get this discovery. Therefore, Judge, we're entitled to investigate it. We have to be able to defend these charges, so we need time to prepare. My take is going to be, I think you should look for the trial judge to continue the trial. Will they give them the full 2 months? Maybe, maybe not. It depends how much discovery. Think text messages, anything that they can say. They're alleging that the prosecution has had this record, has had this evidence since the beginning and hasn't turned it over. The other thing to keep in consideration is sometimes the prosecution will stipulate or agree to the extension. And why? Because they want to try a clean trial. What does that mean? Is they want to take away the ability to appeal. All good trial lawyers know that you want convictions or verdicts to stick, and you don't want to build an appeal. Trial judges know that as well. They know that continuances under the law are supposed to be liberally granted, especially if you have good cause. Keep in mind, some of these charges, each charge carries up to 15 years in prison. My take is look for the judge to continue the trial. He will dictate how long. Keep in mind, this judge knows that if he doesn't give the continuances, he'll likely face an appeal. I appreciate everybody reaching out, asking for the update, but now I got to jump back on my trial that I got going next week.